Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python Arrays. We're talking about the definition, the syntax, and modifying its items. Now arrays is something that you've seen before, even though I haven't been using the term a lot when we study about tuples, dictionaries, and sets, but they qualify as arrays, okay? First off, diving into the definition and the syntax of arrays. Arrays serve as a data storage for multiple values in one variable. We're going to be using list as an example. So arrays is also made for, storing a huge amount of data in a neat single place. That's what I meant when it serves as a data storage for multiple values in one variable. And if we look at the example down here, you can see the variable. This is a list with string, okay, a character and then string, integers, and Boolean value. We have another variable, 0. This is a list accessing the first index, 0, which is A over here. Next one, this is a list. Index number 1 will be 0, 1, and 2 will be hello. And we can get the length of the list or the array by using the length method and putting the variable that we want to, return the length of. Next up, to modifying items. Now, let's work with the for loop first. For result placeholder, you can use XYZ, whatever you want. And this is a list, the variable that I've shown you over here. Print result. So this is going to go through A and then orange and then hello and so on and so forth. Now, with the append is adding. This is how you add another value to the array over here. Pop will remove, okay? Pop will remove the second index. So it will remove 0, 1, 2, removing hello completely. And then, remove is for removing goodbye. We're going specific. And then we have reverse, the reverse method, which is, reverse the values within the array, and sort, simply sort the values alphabetically. As simple as that. Let's go with a list character B, hello, world, integer, and float, and then Boolean as well, true and false. We're going for 0, a list, 0, 1, a list, 1. And then length of a list is length a list. Then we're going to print out 0, 1, and length of a list. All right. Now let's have a new list with barnacle, fish, octopus, whale. That's about it, I think. Let's go with a for loop for x in new list. Print x. Let's move on. New list, append, let's see, clam, or appending clam. And then new list, pop. Okay, no parameter, no index there. And then new list, remove barnacle. And then new list, reverse. Okay, and then new list, sort. Now I'm going to copy and paste new list after every changes. Print new list, copy this, paste, and the same down here. So this is our result. First off, we print 0 and 1 at index 0. So index 0 should be, B, and then 1 should be hello world, and then we print out the length of a list, which is 6. Next up, we go for loop on the new list. So it lists out barnacle, fish, octopus, and whale. And then moving on, we append clam. We have clam down here. Then we pop with no parameter, pops out the last item, which is clam. So we went back to the original list. And then we remove barnacle. Barnacle's no longer here. We reverse the new list. Reverse. Last item goes first. Then we sort it alphabetically. Okay? Fish, octopus, and whale. So thank you for being here with me, and thank you for watching till the end of this lesson. I know this is quite a short lesson, but we're going to move on to something that is quite long and a little bit complicated, but is crucial to Python, which is classes and objects. Okay, so do stay tuned and watch that lesson as well. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow, and have a wonderful day.